Hello everybody. Today I'm going to start with my presentation on BBB directly with the Quizlet. So I'm just opening my Quizlet because that is one of the features of the Quizlet that I wanted to explore. So I'll explain the things to you with the help of flashcards and then we'll go into the live Quizlet. So I'm going to talk about the different types of energies. Energy is nothing but the capacity of doing work. So whether you are driving a car or you are just walking all by yourself, you need to have the energy. Now the different types of energies, the conventional energies, the very first one is the thermal energy. And the thermal energy is the one which is the energy generated through heat. We go to the second card now, and then that is the wind energy. Now wind energy is a non-conventional type of the energy which is also known as the renewable energy. You must have seen the windmills. Norway is the country which is producing the highest amount of wind energy at present. So which is the energy generated from the kinetic energy of the moving air. There is a nuclear energy. Now nuclear energy, at times people are scared of nuclear energy because of the radiations generated. Of course there is nothing to be scared of because the radiations are always contained within the power station. And the nuclear energy is nothing but the energy stored in the atomic nuclei. So the by means of the nuclear fusion reaction or the nuclear fission reaction, the energy is generated. Now at present most of the energy generated by using the nuclear fission reaction, wherein the nuclei break into the lighter nuclei, producing large amount of energy. Then is the tidal energy. Now tidal energy is the electricity generated from the movement of the tides. Now the major problem for this is the electrodes which are used for the purpose of converting the tidal energy into the electrical energy, they get corroded very fast because of the high salinity of the water. So once we can overcome that problem, it will provide us with the enormous amount of energy. Yes. Then is the geothermal energy. You must have heard of the hot springs. So hot springs are nothing but the energy which is trapped in the interior of the earth. So the energy which is derived from the heat energy in the interior of the earth is the geothermal energy. Then is the energy from the fossil fuels. This is the energy which we have been using from the ancient times, and it is nothing but the oil, gas, coal, etc. However, this type of, these resources, they are getting depleted very fast. Where the resources that we are having at present, they will last for maybe another 10 years and then we'll have a problem. But of course, there is nothing to worry about because we are having lot many unconventional or renewable sources of energy. Then is the kinetic energy. Now, kinetic energy is the energy which is due to motion. So when you throw a ball, the ball is moving from one point to another, it possesses the kinetic energy. When you are going on a cycle, so bicycle, so it is nothing but the kinetic energy, potential energy converted into the kinetic energy. So that's what the kinetic energy is, the energy which is due to motion. Then is the potential energy. Potential energy, just now I made a mention of it. It is the stored energy. So every body which is at rest is possessing the potential energy. So that is the stored energy. Then we have the electrical energy, which is the most common type of energy, which is the energy caused due to movement of the electrons. So all the types of energies are finally converted into electrical energy and then they are transmitted to the points where it is required. And then last but not the least is the solar energy. Now, solar energy is also gaining lot of importance because it is the pollution free kind of energy. It does not produce any pollution and it is the energy from the sun. So as long as earth will exist, sun will continue to shine and then it will provide us with the energy. So the energy that is converted into the electrical energy is the solar energy. The main problem with the solar energy is that the efficiency of conversion is not very high at present. So we need to concentrate on the conversion so that we can derive maximum amount of energy by using the solar energy. At present, France and Germany are the countries which are producing maximum amount of solar energy. So that's all about different types of energies. I hope you have interested the presentation and now we go with the live Quizlet. Are you all ready?
Ready. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I go to live, individuals. Yes, that is the code. You can see the code.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Anna had joined. Shreya has also joined. Trupti. Welcome Anupama. Welcome Aarti. That's it, I believe. All are in? Okay, so I'll just start. So all best of luck to all of you. I'm starting the game. Unicorns, start. Yes. All are same. Good, very good. So all have learnt very well. Alligator is in the lead. Siberian tiger had joined. Again alligator is in the lead. Good. Well done alligator. Oh, great. Pandas and Mustanga. Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations, Shreya.
Congratulations, Shreya. Well done.
I teach this particular unit.
Oh, good.
But it was fun and I like that without using PPT we can work on Quizlet.
Yeah, that's what I realized. Yes.
Yes.
That's what I said. That is why the Quizlet is there, you know. That is how I felt it can be used by students. So I thought of doing it this way. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Who is